Hey my beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about this beauty called Juvias the Zulu. To be very honest, this is going to be the first impression for any Juvia's colorful palette for me. I have not tried any one of these, so I'll be quite honest. This is how the packaging look. It's a cardboard packaging with holographic lady on it. Beautiful colors in it. They look quite impressive, and this is how the swatches are. I'm actually a medium skin tone lady, so you can see how it is paying off right now on me. To be honest, if I find any eyeshadow to be colorful, I'm skeptical because they generally don't work on anybody who is of medium skin tone. So this is the true test I'm going to take for this palette. First, I'm using this Nars Concealer to prime and prepare my eyelid so that there's a clear and an even canvas to work on. After I've applied concealer, I'm using Bye Bye Cosmetics translucent powder to set my eyelid so that nothing creases. This is how the packing looks. After this, I've used the yellow shade. I'm using yellow shade as my transition shade. This is a quite bold color, and yes, it is paying off. Generally, yellow shades don't pay well off on medium or Indian skin tones, but it effectively worked on me and I was astonished to see that. I'm just blending it around the crease and little bit over the crease. I'm not bringing anything under my crease line. I'm using it as a transition shade. After this, I've taken an orange color on a small pointing brush so that I can put it on the right place, and then I've picked up the red shade. The red shade is a little chalky, but yes, it is beautiful red shade. After I've done this, I'm using the same brush which I've used for yellow to blend everything in. Now this is how pigmented the purple color is. Imagine if it is this pigmented on the brush, how well it would have paid off on my eyes. Same thing I'm doing on my other eye. I'm just taking the red color, tapping it off on my eyelid. You cannot actually brush it, you have to tap it, and this is the point, the last point, the crease line where I'm taking this. After I'm happy with this, I will just take the purple color and draw a wing. After I'm happy with the wing, I am taking a clean fluffy brush and blending this purple color into the outermost area of my crease line. Blending was a little bit tough, still it was good. Then on a small eyeliner brush, I'm trying to draw a eyeliner as close as to my waterline so that it looks more blended. Now if we were talking about how blendable these colors are, generally darker shades in any palette are tough to blend. So that's okay. And now I've taken the cyan color. The cyan color was hyper pigmented, I should say. It was hyper pigmented. It showed very well on my eyelid and still had zero fallout. Trust me, there was zero fallout. I'm just blending everything well in place. Now I've taken the same cyan color in shimmer. There are 3 shimmer shades in this palette. When I used the shimmer, there was no fallout. This is how the quality is for me. I was seriously so happy with it. Now I've just used an eyeliner on my waterline. This is how the eyes have started looking. I'm just putting eyelashes. After this, the eyes would look like this. Aren't they beautiful? Aren't the colors so mesmerizing? Now I've taken Smashbox primer, just priming around my T-zone. There's the place where I generally crease and crack. Then once I'm happy with the primer, I've taken Nars Radiant foundation, my most favorite. I'm in the shade Barcelona. Now with the help of a beauty sponge, this is a damp beauty sponge, I'm just blending the foundation into my skin. If you're looking for a good foundation, then I would recommend go for Nars, and again I'm using Nars Concealer. These two are the best options right now available, and they are so genuinely skin-like. If you want to build, they can be built to full coverage too. Now I've used Too Faced Cosmetics blush into peach shade. After that, I've used MAC Cosmetic highlighter, oh baby, on the high points of my face. Once I'm happy, I'll use a lipstick. This is a nude lipstick from Smashbox. If you ask me about my honest views, this palette is worth for its price paid. I would give it a 5 out of 5. I did my eyes before my base makeup because I thought the colors are so pigmented they may have fallout. Indeed, it had no fallout. Yes, the only thing I would say is lacking in this palette is it doesn't have a highlighter shade in it. For highlighting my brow bone, I had to pick another product. That was the only shortcoming, but I think that could also be neglected because you are paying just few bucks and getting it on a deal, so nothing like that. And I hope you liked today's video. If you liked today's video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. It would keep me motivated. Until we meet next, take care and keep on watching, because I would be coming up with another look from another palette of Juvias Place. So yes, we have to meet again. Take care. Bye bye.